Looking for a powerful mini PC that's actually available right now? Here's a fresh list of 5 great models you can still buy on Amazon USA, with honest pros and cons for each. Intel NUC 13 Pro Core i7 1360p. The classic mini PC just keeps getting better. With a 13th Gen Intel Core i7, support for up to 64 GB of RAM, Thunderbolt 4, and Wi-Fi 6E, the NUC 13 Pro is a powerhouse in a tiny shell. Pros: extremely reliable, business-ready, expandable. Cons: no dedicated graphics, not ideal for heavy gaming. Best for developers, remote work, small office setups. 21. Intel NUC 13 Pro Core i7 1360p. This AMD-powered mini PC brings performance and efficiency together. With Radeon 680M graphics, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and fast storage, it handles creative software, emulation, and multitasking like a champ. Pros: excellent CPU-GPU combo, low noise, compact design. Cons: limited upgradability compared to larger towers. Best for designers, video editors, and daily multitasking. 3. Beelink SER6 Max Ryzen 9 6900HX. A mini PC that doesn't compromise on speed. With an 8-core Ryzen 9 Radeon 680M integrated graphics and DDR5 RAM, this model is built for performance-heavy tasks. Pros: high clock speed, solid thermals, smooth 4K output. Cons: on the pricier side. Best for gamers on a budget, streamers, and power users. 4. GMKtec NucBox M5 Plus Ryzen 7 5825U. Affordable, yet solid. It comes with a Ryzen 7 5825U, 16 GB RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, striking a good balance between power and price. Pros: quiet, energy efficient, compact. Cons: slightly older chip, not for demanding 3D tasks. Best for home office setups, students, and casual users. 5. MINISFORUM NAB6 Lite Intel Core i5 1200H. This one blends performance with flexibility. Featuring a 12-core Intel i5, integrated UHD graphics, and dual SSD slots, it's a future-proof option for many users. Pros: great value, solid multitasking, upgrade potential. Cons: no GPU for advanced graphics work. Best for everyday work, small business, dual screen use. Cierre. Want to compare these models yourself? You'll find affiliate links for all of them in the description below. I'll leave you with my previous video with more mini PC reviews so you can continue comparing. And please like and subscribe if you found this content helpful.